Hi friends, welcome to Just Home Samuel. Today we will be seeing how to make a simple lunch meal. I'm going to make this into this thing, like one is for the child and the other one is for adult. Like I'm going to use the meal prep we have prepared, like I have uploaded in the previous video. Let's start doing it. See, I'm going to make some rice for the kids and for chapati and one gravy for us, like for the adult. See, this is a meal prep which we have kept it like ready. With the prawns I have kept tomatoes, onion and all masalas together, and I'm going to use a fresh vegetable also along with this. And the rice is ready, and the same way I'm keeping another pan for the gravy to be ready. Okay, add oil and add little bit of cumin seeds, jeera. That's enough, and we have included all the masalas into the prawns along with veggies like onion and tomato. So just mix it in the oil. See, I'm going to give it for my kid an egg also, so I'm just boiling that side by side. Mix all the veggies together. You can choose any vegetable. I'm choosing kosa today. It's a watery vegetable. It's a good paleo recipe also. So I'm just peeled out the skin and I've chopped it and I'm adding it to the prawns. That's it. See, you know, the prawns will be quickly cooked. The cooking time for the prawns would be around 8 to 10 minutes. Already it is marinated also. So I'm adding little curry leaves. I forgot to add it in the marination, so I'm just adding it. Add little water for the prawns to cook. That's it. It has to cook. So all the ingredients are ready now, and just cover it and keep it in the stove. Okay, by the time the rice is also getting ready, you can see the egg is also getting boiled. It's done actually. Once it is boiled, I have kept it in slow flame for 7 to 8 minutes. It's done. You can see the rice is also getting cooked. You can see the gravy is just getting ready. Only thing is the vegetable has to be cooked. This is also a soft vegetable. It's a kosa we call it. As you can use any vegetables to your choice which could go well with the prawns. And I'm adding little bit of coconut. As I told you, this is a paleo recipe. In paleo we use coconut and all those sort of thing. So I'm putting just 2 tablespoons of coconut to this. And please remember that meal prep which we have kept it in the refrigerator, like freezer, just keep it before night in the down compartment, that is a normal refrigerator compartment. And I'm adding little bit of garam masala to have a extra flavor for it. That's it. Our prawn curry is ready. Okay, for me and my husband, I'm just preparing roti for this gravy for the lunch. So I will prepare the roti also side by side. See, today it's going to be roti and sabji, that is prawn sabji for me and my husband. And for my son who is 10 years old, I'm just going to give him a chapati, little bit of rice along with this gravy, curd and a boiled egg. I hope it's enough, like you have both non-veg along with vegetarian is also there. That's it. The roti will also be ready. Okay, take it away. Okay, that's it. As I told you, this is my child meal. You can see rice, egg, gravy, yogurt and one roti, that is chapati. I have made it today. And this is chapati along with gravy. And I have some more extra chapatis and gravy for my lunch actually. This one, the other one is for my husband. I have kept it ready. Okay, fine. With one simple gravy using the meal prep, you can maximum by the time your rice is cooked, your kids meal, the child meal and the adult meal will be ready. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to